Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to talk about the latest trends in mental health therapy. In recent years, online therapy has gained significant traction as an effective and efficient way to address mental health issues. And now, we are witnessing the emergence of AI-powered chatbots that might soon revolutionize the industry. The recent arrival of ChatGPT, an AI chatbot with enhanced language ability to deal with human interaction, is pushing the boundaries of online therapy. Some people may wonder how close AI-driven chatbots are to replacing human mental health specialists. Well, the answer might surprise you. AI-powered therapy is already here, and some aspects of it are being utilized. However, it is worth noting that ChatGPT is not a single entity developed exclusively for mental health services. It is an AI-based language model that is not capable of providing mental health therapy. While some developers and mental health practitioners see the potential of chatbots in providing mental health therapy, others are more cautious. Carolina Estevez, a clinical psychologist, has noted that the technology is not sophisticated enough to capture the nuances needed to provide sound counseling, proper diagnosis, or even determine how a person is feeling. It is true that chatbots are currently utilized where there is a systematized and predictable way of providing therapy. However, human intervention is still necessary for edge cases. One cannot stress enough the need to localize this type of automation based on cultural nuances. What will work in the West may not work everywhere, but despite the challenges, the potential benefits of AI-powered therapy are enormous. Online therapy has proven to be effective, and as the world continues to shift towards more virtual methods of reaching its client set, online therapy will continue to see growth. It is still too early to expect human-level empathy that can replace inaccurate canned information from a bot. But the technology has introduced a revolution, and many more will follow that truly optimize the ability of machines to learn from humans and produce predictable success. We need to continue pushing AI ethics and expectations to ensure that AI-powered therapy is safe, reliable, and effective. In conclusion, I would like to encourage all of you to keep an open mind and stay curious about the latest trends in mental health therapy. Together, we can ensure that everyone has access to the best possible care. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Pink Viking content.